everyone, Sam from DMTI. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the 10 rule to help make sense of some multi-digit multiplication using place value. If you haven't already watched the introduction video on the 10 rule, you may want to check that one out because it's going to help explain some of the steps that I'm going to be talking about. So when we multiply 30 times 40, one way that students often learn to do that is to just think of 3 times 4 and then put 2 zeros on the end. Let's actually explain it a little more conceptually and show how to use what we call a problem string to make sense of what's really happening, so that way we can preserve place value and recognize that we're not just putting zeros on the end. It is helpful, however, to go back to just thinking of 3 times 4, but let's build it up. So let's start with 3 times 4. And students can say, well, I know 3 times 4 is 12. And then what we're going to do is, instead of jumping all the way to 30 times 40, we're just going to change one of those numbers by 10. So that increased by 10. 3 times 10 is 30. So because that part of the problem increased by 1 place value, the product is also going to increase by 10. So 12, the 1 was in the tens, now it becomes 100. 2 ones become 2 tens, and we don't have any ones left over. Another way to notate this, if you're trying to think a little more algebraically, is that really what you're doing is 3 times 4 times 10. You're increasing by a place value. Now, to get back to our target problem that we started with, now we're going to then change the 4 to 40. And now we can go back to the 120 and see that that's going to increase by 1 place value to be 1,200. Or another thing we could then do is go all the way back to the single digits we started with and notice that the 12 actually increased by 2 total place values. So the 110 went up 2 place values to 1,000. The 2 ones went up 2 place values to 200. We don't have any tens or ones left over. And that's how to help make sense of some of this place value-based multiplication.